In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. This guide will walk you through several steps to help identify and resolve any issues that might be preventing messages from reaching your inbox. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Zoho Mail. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoho Mail website. Once you're in your Zoho Mail dashboard, the initial part of the troubleshooting process begins by checking your spam folder. Often, emails get mistakenly categorized as spam, so make sure to give your spam folder a glance. Click on the Spam tab and take a moment to browse through the emails there. Sometimes, important emails can end up here by mistake due to overly aggressive spam filters. Once you've confirmed that there are no important emails in the spam folder, the next step is to adjust your settings. Go back to the main Zoho Mail dashboard and locate the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a broad array of features that you can tweak to ensure your email service is running smoothly. After entering the Settings menu, your focus should shift to Filters. Filters play a pivotal role in managing how emails are sorted and delivered. In the Filters section, you can see rules that define specific actions for incoming emails. Review these carefully to ensure none are mistakenly redirecting or deleting emails that you need to receive. Next up, click on Anti-Spam. This area is crucial because it contains tools and options that help keep unwanted emails at bay. Within the anti-spam settings, you'll find the Allowed list. The Allowed list is where you can add email addresses that should always reach your inbox without being blocked or moved to spam. Make sure that any addresses you wish to receive messages from are included here, as this helps ensure their emails get through. Concurrently, there's also a Blocked list, which serves its opposite purpose by filtering out unwanted emails. It's a good idea to double-check this list to make sure no legitimate email addresses are mistakenly added. If you find any addresses that should not be blocked, remove them from this list. By following these steps, you should have a clearer understanding of how to resolve any issues with not receiving emails on Zoho Mail. Remember, the key is to regularly check your spam folder, adjust your filters, and carefully manage your allowed and blocked lists. Thanks for watching, and I hope these instructions prove helpful in getting your email system back on track.